apply foundation all over your face. Then use concealer to cover up your dark circles and redness of your skin. Use an eyebrow pencil to make your brows look fuller. Then set your eyebrows in place by brushing them. Now draw on your brows again to finish. Try to avoid drawing on the inner part of your eyebrows. Next, apply eyeliner. Start at the outside and extend it to the center of your top lash line. Try to create a straight line. Use a Q-tip to fix mistakes. Now curl your lashes. Then use mascara to form your lashes into good shape. On top of that, use a volumizing mascara to create volume and length. Next, use a white eyeliner on your lower lid to create the effect of big bright eyes. Now, apply blush on your cheeks. Also apply some blush on the center of your nose. Because the main focus of the Igari-Syle Makeup look is the blush cheeks, it's okay to overdo it. Then, add some highlighter on the tip of your nose and above your upper lip. Additionally, you can use your eyebrow pencil to draw freckles. For the last step, put on lipstick. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video. 見てくれてありがとうございました. Also, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye bye!